RogerApp.ai.
RogerApp is next-generation AI for photos. Create and edit consistently professional quality images for marketing and content creation. Create new photos from text. Edit real photos. Work with AI images from any tool. Built for serious high-quality photo editing with a reasonable budget and timeline. You get full commercial usage rights to everything you create. Your work and your prompts are yours, completely. Your content is never used to train AI models EU-based and GDPR compliant for your data security. We use dozens of AI models working together, automatically selecting the best for your request. RogerApp.ai has one-click features. Creating a masterpiece requires a couple of edits and your creative decisions. Our system maintains perfect consistency between edits, so each iteration builds on the last without degradation. Let me show you what's possible. Create photorealistic images from text descriptions. Add or remove objects from images. Remove and replace backgrounds instantly. Merge 2 or 3 photos seamlessly. Isolate and edit specific elements traditionally difficult to edit. Hair, clothing, products, shadows. Upscale images to high resolution. Add and remove text labels and price tags directly on images. Convert sketches and line drawings into full-color images. Convert photos to black and white or any style with artistic control, and much more. Here is how to create photos. Here's a detailed prompt describing the subject, lighting, and style. Mature woman in her 60s with naturally silver, loosely pinned hair, standing in a narrow glass greenhouse at sunset, wearing a deep red couture gown with a corset covered in real red roses and vines. Tulle skirt with scattered petals, warm golden backlight and softly blurred background, photorealistic and hyper-detailed. The result is a clean, sharp, professional image ready for editing or merging. Work with any existing photo. AI images from any tool, real photographs, design mock-ups or video source images, and let RogerApp generate perfectly framed intro and outro key images for your edits, so you keep complete control over what every video shows, while your footage reaches a much higher production level thanks to consistently sharp RogerApp grade visuals. And RogerApp creates a new version adapting the idea with totally new image. You upload a photo, RogerApp describes it in detail with a prompt you can access from the New Version tab. Let's create professional product photography from scratch. Instead of reshooting the product, I've upgraded the photo I already had. Now I'll create a clean e-commerce background by describing the surface, lighting, and mood. Then I merge my upscaled product photo onto that background and adjust the shadow so it looks like it was shot there. I generate a logo and place it onto the product using manual masking so it perfectly follows the shape. Finally, I can create or upload a human model wearing the product. You can create labels with RogerApp.ai or upload your own. Add price tags, messages, or callouts directly on images. Perfect for e-commerce, social media, and quick campaigns. RogerApp gives you precision editing tools. With auto-masking, simply write what you want to isolate: hair, clothes, sky, background. The tool automatically understands the structure of the image. It knows a hand is different from an arm, and usually captures even the smallest details, like individual facial features down to each eye separately, then finds and masks exactly that area. Then describe the change: new color, new material, different lighting, complete background swap. The rest of the photo stays exactly the same. When you need more control, switch to manual masking. Paint the exact area you want to change. RogerApp respects the original perspective, lighting, and style, so removed or added objects blend naturally. Perfect for removing distractions, tweaking product details, or adding new elements one by one. Together, these tools give you both speed and pixel-level precision. What makes RogerApp different? RogerApp maintains perfect consistency across unlimited iterations. Our proprietary AI knows the strengths of dozens of models and chooses the right combination for every photo, while also enhancing the underlying models to ensure consistently professional quality. New models added constantly. One license, all features. No upsells, no in-app purchases. Your data is yours. We don't train on your content. We don't claim your work. Plus, deep search. Our AI research engine that taps into multiple sources at once. Research markets, plan campaigns, then turn insights into finished visuals in the same tool. Getting started is simple. One license, all features. Whether you're an entrepreneur, marketing professional, or creative building your vision, Roger App gives you the tools you need. Visit RogerApp.ai to get started. Book your free personal training session with a real human. We'll help you get professional results from day one. Professional AI photo editing that requires your craft and rewards your skill.